This I am Mr. Ting of Youth. I am founder of the Myanmar Grade 4 Engineering. I want to talk about the blue sand. I first got to know the blue sand goddess because I attended to their event where they are introduced their projects, their brothers, blue sand brothers. Then after that, I learned about more the blue sand brothers. Then I know about all the blue sand projects, and I discussed with my players for that our 1 megawatt project. And then I can install and I can do the 1 megawatt project with the blue sand. After that, we are already installed. I put that to the blue sand engineering team to second our site in Myanmar. Now they are coming to my site in Myanmar. They have to be for the testing and functioning. Their engineer team and their CEO come to me very help, and they are very familiar with me because they are blue sand engineering team also very good and very blessed. The best thing because I can help for them everything. Then if I have some problem, I can contact with their blue sand engineering team anywhere, anytime. So thank you for the blue sand. I want to talk to you about more than how is the improvement of their system as well. After that, we using the blue sand products. We are installation in Myanmar Subida Township. This is a 1 megawatt hybrid project in the Myanmar first time. This all of the products are from the blue sand. We use a 500 kilowatt inverter, 2 number inverter system for this 1 megawatt project. Then we are using the battery also from the blue sand. Please, we are using from the blue sand batteries. This is very good battery for our experience in now because we are using all 8 clusters for the 1 megawatt project. Totally 1,260 kilowatt hour. This battery capacity. That we are installing 4 clusters for the 1 battery combiner. There is a 4 cluster, 2 sets in the for the 2 battery combiner. 4 cluster coming to the battery combiner 1. The next 4 cluster is coming to the battery combiner 2. Each battery combiner to the inverter. We install the solar. How many? Because the solar is the how many solar 180 and 70 number. We install the solar 70 number for the 1 zone. We have the 101 and 110 zone for the 20 combiner. This is BB combiner also. We are using the blue sand BB combiner, and the solar also we using for the blue sand solar. We combine both to the this MBBD controller panel. They have to the 20 number BB combiner 1. Yeah, this is the blue sand EMS application for the dashboard, and we can use our phone also. This is the energy dashboard. When we write we can see from my home, from my office, we can see from everywhere. So this is a very good application from the blue sand.